Black vulture. Black vultures feed mostly on carrion, dead animals. They locate their feed by soaring high and looking for carcasses, as well as by following turkey vultures, as turkey vultures have a much better sense of smell. Black vultures maintain very strong social family bonds throughout their lives. Although an individual black vulture is smaller than a turkey vulture, flocks of black vultures will often chase turkey vultures away from food. This guy's name is Mischief. He's with us since January of 2019. Mischief is a human imprint. He relies on us for food, shelter, and social interaction.